Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video, I'm trying out a set of acrylic paints by Meeden and also adding matte medium. I needed some new acrylic paints because my other ones are so old and they're just little globs of dried up paint mixed in. That's just not good. So I don't know anything about these paints really. I've heard about Meeden paper and that it's pretty good. I haven't tried any Meeden products, so yeah, this was pretty fun. And I like the packaging, and I wanted to get kind of a classic set of colors, including black and white. So yeah, so far pretty happy. They look pretty cute. Packaging gets me every time. And the matte medium is Liquitex brand. And if you don't know, matte medium is kind of a white liquidy liquid. And you can mix it in whatever proportions you want with your acrylic paints to make them more matte, just like the name suggests. So first I did swatches. And the weird thing is the colors on the left have no matte medium and the ones on the right do, and the ones on the right look shinier to me. What do you guys think? So I don't know, but here are the colors and the names. But before we start, let's have a self-care moment with Rebel. I'd like everyone to go ahead and just stretch out and get cozy. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a deep breath out through the teeth. And stretch. Okay, now back to painting. For this, I used the Meeden, just the Meeden set, except for one part at the end, which you'll see. I mixed them about half matte medium and half paint for the proportions. I really like the way these feel. They're very flowy, which might be from the matte medium, I don't know. The colors are nice and they blended well. So here it was very bright white, so I toned it down with some more bluey gray mix in with the white, and I liked it a lot better. Here I'm adding the trees, and with the Posca pen, my reference is shown on the left here. I got it from Raw Pixel, and so in case you would like to look it up, I tried to leave all the information on it. If you don't know, Posca pens are acrylic paint pens basically. And I really like them for detail work. There might be some other brands besides Posca, I'm pretty sure there are, but I just happened to receive these for Christmas. This is the Earth Tone set, I believe, and I really love them. I do really like this paint set and look forward to using them more in the future, and they combine well with the Posca pens. So here's the finished product, I think. I may do more to it, I don't know. There's a critter climbing up the side of the mountain. I don't know how well you can tell or what you think it is. I was trying to kind of make a dragon. I'm honestly not sure what the matte medium did. Maybe I'll do another painting with no matte medium to try to test what it looks like without, but I mean, I like it though. It was a really nice process and a lot of fun for me. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful, at least a little bit, and I'm gonna try to do a few more kind of longer form videos. I mean, this is like still only 5 minutes, but that's about all I can handle right now, y'all. But anyway, thanks for joining me here and for watching. I really, 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 really appreciate it.